so good. Yes.
You guys are going to absolutely love this. No clickbait, no weird stuff. This is the real deal. This is it. We finally have Minecraft on the Oculus Quest 2 in VR. Yes, no weird flat screen stuff. This is actually proper VR Minecraft on the Oculus Quest, fully standalone. And today, we're going to test it out, and I'm going to show you really quick how you can get it yourself. So, what is up, everyone? This is the Mysticle, and today, we're checking out Minecraft VR on the Oculus Quest 2 for the very first time. If you guys like this one, slap that little red button down below, and let's get right into the video. So, you might be asking yourself at first, how is this possible? How did this happen? Minecraft didn't release anything. Well, if you guys know Questcraft, yes, they have been working hard this entire time. No, the project was not dead. A lot of people thought the project was dead. They had been working in the background, ownership was transferred, and they've partnered up with Minecraft XR instead of trying to get Vivecraft working. This gave them a lot of progress, and by a lot, I mean they're out in beta today, and you can try it yourself. Yes, it is publicly available to everyone. This is not just something that YouTubers have gotten. You can try it out. But please do remember, it is a beta, and therefore not everything is going to work. Some things, of course, are not going to be fully optimized yet, but they are working incredibly hard, and I think this shows it. Oh, by the way, this is Java Edition Minecraft, not Bedrock, which makes it so much cooler. We have come so far, and once again, the community has given what the companies have not. So, of course, make sure to check out their Discord down below, you know, flood it and show them some love. Oh yeah, and get your Questcraft, of course. They said they're ready. We'll see about that. So I would love to show you guys fully how to install this, but the install procedure is currently not the easiest, so I'm going to take you through how to do it anyway. But if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, check out their official kind of tutorial video down below. I'll post that whenever that is released, because supposedly that will be released. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you in words roughly how to do this, and if you are technically able enough to do it, go ahead. However, I won't be going into the in-depth details and genuinely showing you how to do it because I feel like it's quite difficult, and somebody that doesn't know what they're doing shouldn't really be trying this without a long tutorial. And a long tutorial I will not give you because that would make this video way too long. So you will have to wait for their official tutorial to come out or ask on their Discord. Right now, we're running on Fabric instead of running on Forge. So what you want to do is download the latest version of Fabric for 1.18.1. Get PoJav Launcher, install that into PoJav Launcher, and then update your JRE version. You're going to need JRE 17 for this. That's Java Runtime. To install Java Runtime into PoJav Launcher on the Quest is a lot more complicated than it should be. So this is exactly why they're going to have an auto installer script for this in the near future. Once you've got JRE 17, PoJav Launcher, and Fabric, you want to get to installing your mods. The mods, of course, you will find inside their Discord. As I said, it's quite complicated right now, and I'm explaining this in a very not advanced way. You probably won't be able to install it from what I'm telling you if you don't know what you're doing. Get Fabric, get JRE 17, get PoJav Launcher, sign in, and throw all the mods into the mods folder, right? Quite simple, except the fact that this is done on the Quest makes it a lot more difficult. So once again, I'm going to forward you guys to their tutorial, to their guide down below. Once that's out, you will find it down below. Or maybe it's already out, I need to ask them. However, we are jumping in to the game.
So check this out. Fully Quest Standalone. All I do is I go up to here, Unknown Sources, turn on PoJav, select my account because I already have everything here. Fabric Loader, there we go. Make sure we're on the correct Fabric Loader, and click play. Here, when this shows up, it's very important that you always click play anyway. And now we're going to be stuck on a black screen for about a minute. This is part of the beta, this is just what happens, and it's perfectly normal. I have the 3 dots loading now, and I literally just have to stand here and wait for a minute. This is, again, perfectly normal. Once it loads in, it's just fine. And here we are. So now we're gonna get a red screen, and here is Minecraft. Yes, it's going to be quite laggy in the menu at first as it renders in everything. As I said, they're working on performance mods. This is perfectly normal. So now that that's loaded in, we're gonna go into single player. We're gonna load in my world here. Minecraft music, am I right? So now again, this takes a little while. You know, everything is optimizable, everything they are working on, and they have done such an incredible job. And here we are. Look at this. Yes, it's raining right now, which honestly just makes it so much worse. Everything is working. Spatial audio, I can hear the rain coming in through here. We have hands, guys. We have hands. Like, how cool is that? We've honestly got hands. This is fully blown Minecraft running on Quest Standalone with controller tracking. How cool is that? And everything is working, from like moving around to jumping to, you know, breaking blocks, placing blocks as well, especially since we're in creative. You've got the menu here. You know, see, when it's not raining, look how smooth it is. When it's not raining, it is so good. Okay, so I think we need to have a mission. Let's build a little house, right? Let's build a little house as our very first... What's happening outside my window? I can just hear like a hurricane. And no, it's not the Minecraft rain, like actually outside my window. This is so cool. I think this is gonna be like the birth of Minecraft on Quest. We build a little house. It's so smooth. It is so smooth. They sent me little optimization mods yesterday, and they have improved it so much. And for now, you change by moving this up and down. Look at this. Look how smoothly it's running. Like, this is incredible. Okay, and now, I'm just building a standard little house. Don't criticize my house. This is so epic. And because it's fully standalone, you know, no wire, as usual, you can just move around freely. I am so hyped for this. And the vibe of the rain going on in the background, you know. Oh my gosh. It's running so well. Oh, yes, it stopped raining. What a beautiful day. And look how smooth it is now. Yes, there are some weird things happening over there in the horizon. Don't worry about that. Oh, wait, actually, they did tell me how to fix that. They said if I go into options, video settings, and change it to fabulous, yes, it fixes the horizon. And there is no performance loss for whatever reason, except for the fact the trees now look a lot better. Everything around me is so large. The sheer, like, size of these blocks. That's the way it's supposed to be, by the way. It's not like it's broken or anything. This is just the way Minecraft is. But actually seeing its size. Where's quartz at? Yes. Look at this. Now we're in business. Okay, it's already looking quite nice, I must say. There we go. In the corner. Okay, someone's gonna get really triggered for that not being symmetrical. I don't know whether I should have gone with the nether roof. I know it's a controversial idea. Look at that. Well, I can now officially say that I have built one of the first houses in Questcraft, and you guys were here to witness it. Look at this. And it's so smooth. It's completely and utterly playable. Oh my gosh. One of the first houses in Questcraft. One of the Whoa! What's happening there? Where's the zombie at? I can hear it. I know you're somewhere here. I can hear you. There you are. Hey, friend. Also, punching mobs right now doesn't work, but killing them does, so it's perfectly fine. You can pretend that you're punching. It works just as well, depending on how good your imagination is. Currently, we are actually running at 4 chunks. Let's bring the render distance up to 8 chunks, and simulated chunks at 6, and let's see how well this runs at 8 chunks. Even though I was just fine playing it at 4. Perfectly playable. Like, that is... Oh, no, not auto jump. I prefer playing with fabulous graphics at about 5 chunks. I mean, this is perfectly playable. Look at this. That is so epic. Minecraft on Quest Standalone. Oh, yes. So good.
So, there you guys have it. I know this wasn't the tutorial maybe some of you were expecting, but you know, if you guys want one, I am totally willing to make one. But there you go. It works. It's a fully blown Minecraft on the Oculus Quest 2. Finally, servers are working, yes, but again, you need to be a little bit technically minded in order to be able to add them to the config files themselves, because currently there's no keyboard. As I said, this is a beta. Some things will work and some things just won't. But if you are on local multiplayer, it does actually work. So if you start up a local LAN server, which you can do because the menu does show up, another person playing inside the same house on the same Wi-Fi network can actually join you. Control-Alt-Delete was actually telling me that they're planning on adding you being able to see other other players' hands in multiplayer, which is so unbelievably cool. It's something along the lines of Vivecraft, but this is fully standalone, and it's finally here. You know, of course, there's going to be some hiccups. Again, it's in beta. They are working on performance, and they've already made it so much better in 2 days, because I first tried this 2 days ago, and they have already made it so much better in 2 days. So give them some time, you know. I am so happy to be able to share this with you guys because I know how large and incredible the community on Minecraft is, and I've been with this game for so long. Seeing us be able to play it on the Quest 2, Java Edition, with mods. This is Java Edition, not Bedrock. Yes, you could sort of put mods on this. It is so incredible. You can probably tell the huge smile on my face. That's because I wished this would happen, and I did not think that I would be making this video so early on, because it is quite early on if you think about it. A lot of people thought the project was dead. So from the community, I would love to thank the Questcraft developers. I got to talk with them there a few days ago. So once again, make sure to check out their Discord down below, give them some love, and watch out for future videos on Questcraft, I guess, because there definitely will be some. Have fun, you know, check out our Discord as well, so that we're not left in the dust as well. Plutosphere passed us out in like 1 day. No, I'm just kidding, but do join our Discord. But yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic day or night. And if you guys like this one, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too. But please tell me why down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to the Patreon supporting this channel. You guys help me out a ton, help me pay my bills, help me pay for subscriptions and things like that. So thank you so much for that. If you guys are not yet part of our community, check out our Discord down below and check out our Reddit, where I would love to see you posting your spicy memes. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we have sick mugs down below that boost your FPS by 300% and merch that does not put a huge ad on your body. And as usual, in case you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.